Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to hide playing media notifications on Google Chrome. If you're looking for a way to enjoy your browsing experience without those pesky media notifications popping up, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you have it running on your device. This is where all the magic begins. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This is the menu icon that gives you access to various settings and options. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your Chrome experience according to your preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Notifications. Click on this option to manage how Chrome handles notifications, including those annoying media alerts. Now you'll see a section labeled Playing Media. Click on it to access specific settings related to media notifications. Here, you can control whether or not these notifications appear while you're browsing. Finally, look for the option that says Show Notifications and toggle it off. By disabling this setting, you will no longer receive notifications when media is playing in your tabs. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully hidden playing media notifications on Google Chrome. Enjoy a smoother and less interrupted browsing experience. Remember, if you ever want to re-enable these notifications, just follow the same steps and toggle the setting back on. Thanks for tuning in today. Happy browsing.